Hi friends, Tiana here, and today I've received this awesome surprise parcel through the mail, and it's from Flares. Thank you, Flares! The gift they have sent me is Pet Parade. Let's have a look inside. Wow! Look, a pet. This is a not computer. Okay, let's just put this on the floor. Wow, this is awesome. Look, guys. And look, here's a pet. And you can stroke it. So cute. There's a little puppy. Look, I can make his head come up. Pet Parade comes with one exclusive puppy, and it's for ages 3+. And that's the puppy it comes with. And look on the back, and that's what is actually inside the box. And there's a doggy leash, and that's the dog leash, and it's on the puppy. And the puppy also has a little bone for like when he's walking, you can like suck it up because it's metal. And there's lots of puppies having fun. I can't wait to open it up. Let's do this. Okay guys, here's everything all out of the box. Here's my little dog called Layla. And before we start playing, I'd just like to show you guys how the dog works. If you want the dog's head to go up, then you push the button forwards. And he's actually got the bone in his mouth because it's magnetic, so it'll go in his mouth. And if you want the dog's head to go side to side, then you put the button side to side. And his tail moves if you do that too. And everything nearly is magnetic, so you can do some fun things with the dog. Okay, now I'm going to start playing. First, I think the dog wants to go for a little walk. So let me just put the leash in his mouth. Then look, his legs are moving, like he's actually walking. And there is a little door here, so if you go around the dog very fast, you'll go through. We'll just take the leash off. And there is the doggy. And that's the dog's bed that can spin around. And here's his bath. Now the dog wants to play fetch with his ball, because the ball's in there. Then just push it forwards. And when you want it to put it back in there, you have to lift the head up, let it go, then put the head to this. Then you have to put the head to this side, then you have to come out. So that's cool. Now the dog wants a little treat. Yum, 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 yum. And you know, if the dog's crossing a road, you can actually look. And there's a little spring up here. And it's this shape because the dog's legs go through. Just push it in. Just push it in like that. Then you spread out. Just put it in, then do that. Okay, now the dog's on the swing. And just swing him. And he looks so cute on this swing. And when she goes up here, she can just put him off on there. Then there's a little lever, so you do that, then the dog moves. That's funny. And the dog can go up there and just look around. And the dog can also chase butterflies. The dog's really excited because he spots some butterflies. So that's magnetic too. Put his mouth on, then you spin the little flower up here. And he's going to chase the butterflies. Now the dog's really dirty, so he's going to have a shower. Put his mouth on the magnetic bit. And there's a lever here too that will make his body move. Because it's getting wet. So he's shaking the water off. Now the dog's getting really tired. So he's going to bed. Now he's just looking at himself in the mirror before he goes to bed. And when you put the head up and down, his eyes actually roll. And when dogs spin before they go to bed, well, the bed spins. The dog can go to sleep. And when the doggy wakes up and he's got loads of energy, just get these out. Then there's an obstacle course. But the dog's never done it before, so he's going to have a little help with the leash. Like that. And now he's going to have to go without the leash. See how the dog goes. And it says Pet Parade there as well. And when you've done with the obstacle course, you just put them back on here. And I think the dog should sleep with his bone. It can be his little chew toy. And that's his little breakfast bowl. Pet Parade is so cool, and I love the fact that you have to use magnetics to control the play sets. Thank you so much, Flares. Okay guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed our video, and can you please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you guys soon.